Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between packaging and labeling. Although both are important parts of marketing and product presentation, they serve different purposes. Packaging mainly focuses on protecting and presenting the product, whereas labeling focuses on providing information and communication to consumers. Let's understand the major differences one by one. Number 1. Packaging encloses and protects the product physically, whereas labeling provides information about the product. Number 2. Packaging is primarily designed to protect, preserve, and contain the product, whereas labeling is mainly used to communicate product details and instructions. Number 3. Packaging refers to the physical container or wrapping of a product, whereas labeling refers to the written, printed, or graphic information attached to the product. Number 4. Packaging is required to store and transport products safely, whereas labeling is often required by law to provide essential product information. Number 5. Packaging includes boxes, bottles, cans, jars, pouches, and cartons, whereas labeling includes stickers, tags, printed labels, and product wraps. Number 6. Packaging is physical and tangible in nature, whereas labeling is informational and communicative in nature. Number 7. Packaging usually contributes a larger share to the overall product cost, whereas labeling generally contributes a smaller share of the cost. Number 8. Packaging focuses on protection, convenience, and presentation, whereas labeling focuses on communication, compliance, and branding. Number 9. Packaging is manufactured as part of the product preparation process, whereas labeling is usually applied during the final packaging stage. Number 10. Packaging can directly affect product shelf life by protecting the product from external damage, whereas labeling has no direct impact on shelf life. Number 11. Packaging protects products from physical, chemical, and biological hazards, whereas labeling ensures proper usage, handling, and legal compliance. Number 12. Packaging involves material science, engineering, and manufacturing techniques, whereas labeling involves printing, graphic design, and regulatory requirements. Number 13. Packaging must be durable and strong enough to protect the product, whereas labeling may be temporary or permanent, depending on the product requirements. Number 14. Packaging assists in handling, stacking, storing, and transportation, whereas labeling helps in identification, tracking, and inventory management. Number 15. Packaging can often be reused, recycled, or repurposed, whereas labeling is usually discarded along with the packaging after use. Number 16. Packaging attracts customers through shape, size, design, and appearance, whereas labeling attracts customers through information, branding, and product details. To summarize, packaging is mainly concerned with protection and presentation of a product, whereas labeling is mainly concerned with information and communication. Both work together to ensure that products are protected, identified, marketed, and delivered successfully to customers. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.